everyone, I'm Shalini from Orient Global School, Grade 9. Today, almost everywhere, from students, teens, and even adults, are trapped in a non-stop scrolling cycle. Screens steal our attention from meals, conversations, and even between our studying. And because of this, stress is rising, creativity is shrinking, and our connection with real life and nature is fading fast. And this isn't a tiny issue. It's a growing lifestyle affecting millions. So for the solution, I have created FloraPop. FloraPop is a garden kit which resolves the issue of phone addiction in an individual's life. Now, how I'll use this kit? Let me explain to you. So this kit consists of all the necessary items that you need to grow a flower. So by the help of our kit, you will grow a flower, and during the process, this kit keeps you engaged in growing your flower and not get distracted by a phone. It's specially made in a way that it will keep you engaged for a longer period of time that will help you resolve your issue of phone addiction. So this kit consists of a phone pouch where you can keep your phone so it doesn't distract you during the process, a pack of soil, a pack of seeds, fertilizers, instruction manual, a flower journal, a plastic pot, a pack of challenge cards, a soil moisture level testing sensor, and a template which states how you can use your fully grown flowers in a unique way. We have tested this kit and we have got both positive and negative reviews. The positive ones were that my kit is very aesthetic. It has a lot of variety of things and it's also good for the gifting purposes. And the negative reviews were that our packaging was not good enough and some of the items are not working properly. But we have solved both the issue and improved our kit. For the next 2 months, December and January, I want to launch my brand and sell my kit to other people. Now I would like to end it with my brand's tagline. Watch it bloom, no Wi-Fi needed. Thank you.